When you open any Acuitas data entry file, you may see a pop-up box such as this one that reflects the fact that some of the cells in the form have been extracted from other documents. Click on the Don't Update button to prevent errors in the form. The Acuitas platform uses data input forms to make it easier for Optum to supply data and information needed to run the simulations and analysis. All of these data input forms have the same look and feel and follow the same general data input procedures that will be covered in this set of general tutorial videos. There are a total of 3 sections to this general tutorial video, each focusing on a different component of the data input forms to allow you to focus on those areas of most value to you. Section 1 covers the home screen and navigation. Section 2 is an overview of data input and form management, and Section 3 provides examples of data input and customization. This demo covers Section 1, the home screen and navigation. We will use the project scope data input form, the first form required in milestone 1 of the Phoenix Community Project, to illustrate in all of these sections the common aspects of all of these forms. First, the number of screens. Each data input form consists of 3 screens. The home screen, this is the screen which is currently being viewed and which controls navigation within the data input form. It also controls screen formatting. Specific data input form. Optum uses this screen to input the required data. And customization. This screen controls the names and choices used in pull-down menus in the data input form. Screen formatting. In the top left-hand corner of the home screen are 2 control buttons that determine the form layout of all of the screens in the data input form: Transform and Restore. Clicking on the Transform button eliminates from the screen all of the controls available within an Excel spreadsheet, as well as column and row headings, and expands the screen to full size available on your computer. This is the normal format used in filling out the form. Clicking on the Restore button restores all screens to their original Excel formats. We will move forward with the rest of the tutorial in the Transform mode. Navigation. Navigation amongst the 3 screens is done through the use of navigation buttons that display the name of the screen in which you wish to go. In the upper left-hand corner of the home screen is the Customization button. Clicking on this button takes you to the Customization home screen. This is the Customization home screen. We will discuss the functionality of the screen later on in this tutorial. Clicking on the home screen navigation button in the upper left-hand corner of the first table in the Customization screen returns us to the home screen. The box just below the Acuitas data input form icon displays the name of the milestone for which the data input form is required to be completed. In this example, we can see that the project scope data input form is required to be completed for milestone 1, the kickoff meeting. Clicking on the navigation button, Project Scope, takes us to the screen where Optum inputs the data required in this demo to complete the scope of the project. This is the Project Scope home screen. We can return to the home screen by clicking on the home screen navigation button in the upper right-hand corner of this screen. This concludes Section 1 of the general tutorial, Home Screen and Navigation. The next demo, Section 2, covers an overview of data input and form management.